Hi, I'm Alexis. I'm 67 years old, and I'm a patient of Dr. Zachary Gerut. About 6 months ago, I started feeling very tired and looking not the same as I used to. So I've been investigating, and it was very difficult getting recommendations because people are reluctant to express their successes or disturbances regarding facial surgery. So I met someone who came home from Florida, and she looked fabulous, and I didn't know why. She just looked fabulous. So she said she had a wonderful experience with this doctor in Florida. So I started talking to my husband, and maybe we'd make a trip and go out for a few weeks and make it a adventure. And I asked a friend in Florida, could she recommend this man? Did she know anything about him? And she recommended Dr. Gerut in Nassau. So I went for an interview, as well as setting up several other interviews via the internet. And after the interview, I was so impressed with his thoughtfulness, his kindness, and his concern that I canceled the other two interviews and jumped feet first into the experience, and it was a wonderful experience. He throughout was caring and top-notch and expressed concern for my well-being, and I'm happy with the results, and I would recommend him to everybody I meet. I was surprised that I chose Dr. Gerut because I didn't know anyone who used him, and I didn't have a first-hand visual of the work that he did. But with his photography and all the facial identifications that he did of before and after, he reassured me that I will look like Alexis, and I think that was a primary concern. You want to look like yourself. You want to look like yourself younger, and bringing in those photos really made me feel that he had not a one-shoe-fits-all method. He had an individualized idea of the person. And I surprised myself by being so quick with the decision. My first experience before I met Dr. Gerut was with the office staff, mostly Mindy, and she was kind and thoughtful, didn't rush me, didn't push me, let me go at my own pace, try to make it as easy as possible for going forwards. And I appreciated that. I didn't get bombarded with phone calls or sales pitches. The office staff, once I got in, tried to save me time and gave me their expertise, which helped because they knew better than I knew. And I appreciate all that they did.